Welcome back to FasTrax Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo, and I've got James here with an absolutely stunning car. James, tell me about your car.
It's a 69 Coronet Super B, and I bought it 5 years ago. It was painted already, and the interior was done, but I had to redo the engine. I did the engine last winter, rebuilt it myself, and the transmission was a year before, and so the whole drivetrain was redone.
Okay.
The suspension was redone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Obviously, there's a lot of work you put into this car.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful car. Let's start with the engine. What did you do to the engine? Is this a stock engine or is it a new engine?
It's a 440.
Okay.
Raised block already. Yeah, so I took the engine out last winter because it was burning oil, and took it in, got it dipped, got it magged, and bored out 30 over on boring.
Yeah.
And I rebuilt it from there on.
Right.
Comp cam, energy.
Okay.
What else is Keith Black pistons in there?
Yeah. That was quite the experience tearing that thing down, I guess. How long did it take to rebuild that?
The winter.
The whole winter. Yeah.
And I'm a carpenter.
So it's all your spare time.
Yep.
So 6 months?
Yeah, about that.
About 6 months.
Yep.
All right. And putting it all back in and getting it all running again.
Yep.
Yeah. Transmission stock or is it?
It's stock.
Stock. Okay.
727
Okay. Yep.
torque plate. Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent. So it's automatic.
Yep.
Yep. Fantastic. And the suspension in this car, it's
I redid the suspension. I got brand new leaf springs for the back.
Yeah.
They're heavy duty leaf springs, which came on it originally.
Yeah.
And then I put QA1 shocks on there.
Okay. Yeah.
Competition shocks.
Adjustable.
Yep.
Yeah. Is it pneumatic or is it mechanical adjustment? Your suspension.
Mechanical.
Mechanical. Yeah, good. Yeah. Excellent. Excellent.
Yep.
And the rubber on there, obviously not stock rubber.
No.
Yeah. What do you got in there?
On the rubber?
Yeah. They're pretty wide.
Yeah. The back ones are 50s, I believe.
Yeah.
I haven't really looked at that.
Right. That's not a problem.
They came with the car. Eh?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
There is spacers back there.
Okay.
It's behind the tires.
Absolutely.
That's what brings the tires out wider.
Yep. Yeah. Kicks them out.
Yep.
Yeah. Absolutely. And the exhaust system, it's not stock.
No.
No. What do you
Headers.
do? Headers. Okay.
Headers with mufflers.
Okay.
Yep.
Any cutoff on it, or is it just straight out?
Nope, straight out the
Straight
back.
out the back.
Like original.
Excellent.
Yep.
So it's got some good tone to it.
Yep.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And the interior is stock, or do you have to redo the interior?
The interior was all done.
It was all done before? Okay. Anything still you want to do to the car?
Yeah, there's a few things, like I want to put a different air cleaner on there to get more air to suck into the carburetor. Do that. I want to get new rubber.
Yeah. Burn them down pretty quick?
Yeah, because they're starting to crack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With age, yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. Is it a daily car or just a show car?
Show car.
Show car. Excellent, yeah.
I can drive it around daily if I want, but I choose not to.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You get a lot of stares of driving it from show to show, right?
Yep.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep, lots.
Excellent. It drives good though, obviously.
Oh, it purrs. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. And when I
Excellent.
want the power, I step on it and I got the power right there.
It just goes
Yep.
right in there. Yeah, it's perfect. Excellent. And the paint it's been repainted, obviously.
It's been repainted. It was originally yellow.
Yeah.
And it was repainted black with orange Super B stripe on the back there.
How long ago was it painted?
I'd say 5 years ago too.
Really?
Right before I bought it.
It looks fantastic.
Yeah.
And in black, it's tough to get black right. You see everything, right? So
Yep.
that's beautiful. Excellent. Well, thank you very much for being on my channel. I do appreciate your time.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.